Following a fire incident in Bukidnon, the provincial government gave 67 houses to indigent residents and those who lost their homes during the incident. Dom Guerra reports.
The provincial government of Bukidnon has provided 67 houses to indigent residents, including those who lost their home in a fire last month. According to Governor Rogelio Nilroque, this project is a joint effort between the provincial government and the local government of Don Carlos, which provided the land for the housing units. Governor Roque emphasized the importance of providing housing, especially for the poor, to meet their basic needs for safety and security. He added that having a decent home contributes to the economy by giving people the opportunity to work and study more effectively. The new community named Paglaong Village is located in Barangay Don Carlos Sur. Construction began on December 1, 2021 and was completed on February 22, 2024. Meanwhile, the local government of Malaybalay City has also completed the upgrade of a pig production center in Barangay Kasisang, which cost 2.6 million pesos. The Department of Science and Technology has provided 761,000 to the Dalwangan Malibala United Dairy Agrarian Reform Cooperative to support the cooperative's efforts along with the city governments in developing the local dairy industry. This is Dom Guerra for EuroTV News.